Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about maps. This chapter comes under Geography, the Earth, our habitat. Look at this picture. You can see the Earth and maps together. Maps help us understand our Earth easily. Let us learn why maps are important and how we use them. Children, a globe shows the Earth as a whole, but it has some problems. We cannot study small areas like our town or village clearly on a globe. If we want to study countries, states, towns, or villages, we need maps. So maps are very useful because they show places clearly and in detail. A map is a drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of it. Unlike a globe, a map is drawn on a flat surface like paper. Maps are drawn according to a scale. Because the Earth is round, it cannot be flattened completely. So maps help us represent it on paper. One map may show only a small area with a few facts, while another map may show many facts about a place. When many maps are kept together in one book, it is called an atlas. Atlases are made using different scales. Maps give us more information than a globe, so we use maps more often. Maps are of different types based on what they show. There are three main types of maps: physical maps, political maps, thematic maps. Let us understand each type one by one. Physical maps show the natural features of the Earth. Natural features are things made by nature, not by humans. Examples include mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, and oceans. These maps are also called relief maps because they show the shape of the land. Political maps show human-made features. These are things made by people. They show countries, states, cities, towns, and villages. In political maps, boundaries are clearly marked, so we know where one area ends and another begins. Thematic maps show specific information about one topic. They do not show everything, only one special detail. Examples include maps showing roads, rainfall, forests, or industries. These maps are given suitable titles based on the information shown. Every map has three important components. They help us understand the map properly. 1. Distance. 2. Direction. 3. Symbols. Without these three, a map cannot be read easily. Maps are drawn on a reduced scale because the Earth is very large. The scale shows the relationship between map distance and real distance. For example, 1 centimeter on the map may represent 5 kilometers on the ground. Scale helps us measure distance correctly on a map. There are two types of scale. A small scale map shows large areas like countries or continents. A large scale map shows small areas like towns or villages. Large-scale maps show more details than small-scale maps. Most maps have an arrow marked in, which shows north. Once we know north, we can easily find other directions. From north, we can find east, west, and south. Direction helps us know where a place is located. The four main directions are called cardinal directions. They are north, south, east, and west. There are also four intermediate directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. These directions help us locate places more accurately. A compass is an instrument used to find directions. Its magnetic needle always points north-south. People use a compass to locate places accurately, especially when traveling. It is not possible to draw real objects on maps, so we use symbols. Symbols represent things like roads, buildings, trees, rivers, and railway lines. Symbols make maps simple and easy to read. Some symbols are accepted all over the world. These are called conventional symbols. Maps have a universal language. Anyone can understand these symbols, even without knowing the language. Maps use different colors to show different features. A blue shows water bodies. A brown shows mountains. A yellow shows plateaus. A green shows plains. Colors help us identify features quickly. A sketch is a rough drawing. It is drawn without scale. Sketches are based on memory and observation. They are used to show directions quickly, for example, when explaining a route. A plan is a drawing of a small area. It is drawn on a large scale so it shows more details. A plan shows details like length and breadth. Examples include a plan of a room or classroom. Let us revise what we learned. Maps help us study the Earth easily. They show places clearly using scale, direction, and symbols. Maps are more useful than globes for daily use. So children, maps are very important in our daily life. That's it for now. Thank you.